Hello guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to minimize all windows on Windows 10 quickly and easily. Step 1. Go to the Start menu and type Task Manager, then open it. Task Manager is a built-in Windows tool that helps you manage running applications and processes. Step 2. In Task Manager, find Windows Explorer from the list of processes. Windows Explorer is responsible for your desktop, taskbar, and file management, so it controls how Windows behave. Step 3. Select Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Restarting it refreshes the system interface, which can fix any window issues and allow you to minimize all windows properly. Step 4. After Windows Explorer restarts, go to your app, browser, or software, and now you can minimize or maximize it normally. This ensures your Windows work smoothly without glitches. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.